Hi, my name is Gary. I'm with the Great Falls Inn. Today I want to show you a couple things on, or at least one, on a quick way to save a few bucks. One, I know all of you have probably had the same problem we have here, exhaust fans for the bathrooms. At some point they'll start squealing, they won't turn, you can't hear them. They just get pretty gunked up because of all the steam and debris that fits up into the motor. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem without replacing the motor. Okay, so here I've got a little fan right here. It's a grill. Now this is what you're going to pull out of when you bring it out of the ceiling. Quick way to do that, all you need is a couple nut drivers. Pull the blade off. Take off the nut. Now, these two pieces I'll just go ahead and kind of wash. I'll clean them up real good so they look nice and pretty. Now the motor. Now the motor, this is what you can tell. If you just plug it in, you can tell if it's not turning properly. Okay, that one's doing pretty good. But this is a machine I've already, or this is a motor I've already done. So what I want to do is take off the nut. I'm going to loosen up the nuts. I'm not going to take them off. See what I'm doing here. Okay, there's a bearing right here. It's more of a sleeve, and then this one also. And all we want to do is clean that up. You can take these out. Just remember the polarity on it, which way it goes in. It doesn't hurt anything to take them all the way out. There is a washer in this little this side over here. Don't want to lose that. Okay, those are out. There's the sleeve. There's the other one. Okay. So what I'm going to do, try to clean this up. And then use some 3-in-1 oil. Don't use WD-40. That kind of gets hot. When it gets hot, it gets gummy. It just throw a drop in there. Okay. That one's done. Here. Now, I have to clean this up a little bit. I use a brush to clean some of this if I have to. And then slide this out just a hair. And then throw another drop in here. Okay. Should spin freely. Put it back together. There's the one. There's the other one. Now I'll also throw just a drop on the shaft a little bit. Makes it a little easier to get the blade off of it next time. Okay. You make sure you get that cleaned up good. just looks better. Nuts back on. Blade. Give her a test run. There she goes. Purring like a kitten. You just saved yourself about 15-20 bucks from replacing this. That's all there is to it. I have to do a lot of these. Well, thank you for watching the video, and I hope to put out another one here pretty soon on some new items. Thank you.